So many Nike SBs. Something got to go under the radar, right? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate it, man. And if you watch the channel, you know I'm a huge fan of Nike SB Dunks. I am a fan of Dunks, but the SBs I love because those are the ones that come with like a story behind it, a collaboration, and they always knock it out the park, in my opinion. It's maybe one or two that was like, I don't get it. But it's always dope. In this video, I wanted to point out a Nike SB Dunk that came out 2 years ago that no one's talking about it. Actually, the resale for it is only like $100 over the retail. And I kind of get it because like Dunks been coming out a lot. Not SBs, but Dunks have been coming out a lot. And if they don't be careful, they're going to get into that purgatory that happened in 2003 and 4 where it was so popular and then it went away. Aww. But today, the sneaker I'm showing you is the Nike SB Dunk Pink Pig. And before I get into the crazy details of this sneaker and to find out why it's still like not that popular even though it came out 2 years ago, hit the B-roll so you can see how pretty they are. Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. Now, you see the quality of it. It comes with red shoelaces if you don't want to use the regular joints. The sneaker's fire, guys. Right now you can get these on StockX or GOAT for about $210 or $220. Retail was $130, so this is what I mean here. I don't get it. And not only is the sneaker so dope that I think it should be priced at a different price tag, y'all all remember When Pigs Fly. Came out in 2012, a Concepts collab. You look on StockX now, you look on GOAT, that sneaker's way in the $1,700 to $2,000 price range. They was so popular that Concepts came back in 2019, altered it a little bit, made it high top also, and that sneaker's going for $800. Now I know the high top Dunks are not popular. If you don't believe me, go look at the high Dunks and the low Dunks in the same colorway and you'll see a different price range. But when you say Pigs Fly and then you double back and give them something called Pink Pig, I thought this sneaker was going to be way more crazy, man. Let's get up and close with it. Unboxing time. First and foremost, it comes in a Nike SB purple box. This was the box 2 years ago before they switched to the Lifesaver Quick Strike box. I was about to say Quick Saver because it looked like a Lifesaver. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro PRM Atomic Pink Rose. Here's a 360 view, guys. Like, these things, man. I thought the sneaker was going to be at least in the $500 price range. I mean, it just looks like ashy pink, man. Like, you see the white hits. Look like powder was spilled on it. The material A1, guys, A1. And then you add that red, it just makes the sneaker pop crazy, man. So on the back, you got the Nike logo that I love in red. The whole sneaker's in that atomic pink. And then the way they sandwich it like a panda at the bottom with the white and black. I just think this sneaker is super crazy. At the bottom, you got the black and you got the pink in the inside. Dope, man. Right here, you got your Nike SB Fat Tongue. Reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, it should say. That's what they usually say. But just look at it, man. Just looks like a fat pig, man. The inside, same color as the outside. White and pink in the inside. But like I told y'all, these red shoelaces took this. It just takes the sneaker over the top. I wish they put like maybe a pig here. If you don't know the history of the When Pigs Fly, it looked bad on the police, so they kind of had to change the name of the sneaker. But the legend still continues with the Pink Pigs. Yes, sir. So I'm not saying this is the most underrated Nike SB dunk we've seen, because the what was the crying joint? The Why So Sad joints was like fire, and those are really going for like $230, $250, but they have restocked a bunch of times also. The Run the Jewels joints that just came out last month, another one that's like kind of under the radar, and the Gardena ones that I showed y'all a review for. You could check it out. That sneaker is what Nike SB represents. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Again, if y'all want these sneakers, go get them while they low. I'm talking 200 to 250. You won't be mad at this quality, man. I know a lot of people ain't into pink, but the nostalgia of the Pink Pig, the When Pigs Fly, it all comes together here, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.